Ka MP Barim Gatura ka Agatha ke sangma kala Kyntait iki khubor hamsaia bakala bende ka kyrtong nakabanta ka syuki MP Rajya Sabha ka jela da ka bapen pau bakam Syllad dan Satya ka no kuno ka jingkren hapo ka National People's Party hakabaya day baka jinglong kyrtong ka jongka. Nanor kata kala banjur ru halor ka jingkot jingmot jongka ban kersan pura ya ka rajong ka party lakalong kumno ru. Kumba kalong menta, ngimpat dan Satya ya ka no kuno ka jingakren, hakabay day bat ka syuki Rajya Sabha. Kini kide tang ke jing medder, kumta ngamla ban ong AA halor kani. Ka ka bangala ban ong kalong kat ba ka party ka rai nga ay ka jingersan ka bapura, ya une kata ka kyrtong, ong ka Agatha, habak keren siya kinong tok khubor, hakas balang. Habak keli lakan pediang ne ladakan syak jit kum ka kyrtong, ka Agatha kala benrap da ka baong, kadai ka rajong ka party, barkan kersyan ya kata. Kumba nga ong, ya menta ngimpat ya keren halor kani ka kam. Leesi hakis ngi ki banwan, ladaka don ka jinga keren ngan sa pentip syapi. Ngamnang ban ong ya mentahi, namar kumba nga lapun pau kadai ka rajong ka party, ka jonga, bar ngan syukersyan ya ka party kalayay ban.
As of now, we don't have any, we've not had any discussion on the Rajya Sabha seat. These are just speculations. So I can't comment on it. All I can say is that whoever my party decides, I fully support that candidate. I said as of now, we've not discussed it. Maybe in the future, if there's a discussion, I can let you know later. I don't know now. I can't say as of now because, like I said, it's party's decision. It's not mine. And I'm just going to support the party.